reduced equation of state, Van der Waal has derived an equation which is applicable for any substance an equation is being derived which is applicable for any substance from Van der Waals equation and that equation is known as equation of corresponding state or it is also called as reduced equation of state. According to this, what was the assumption Van der Waal has taken is he has taken a constant, the ratio of temperature which is carried out at any experimental conditions, the temperature of experimental conditions divided by critical temperature. This is Tc is critical temperature. So taking the ratio of experimental conditions of temperature to critical temperature, we get a constant. He named this constant as reduced temperature. Where same experimental pressure by critical pressure gives you reduced pressure. Experimental volume by critical volume gives you reduced volume. Where Tc, Tc and Vc, these are the characteristics of a substance, characteristics of a given substance, because for every substance the critical constants will be defined values. They are the well defined values. The total, every substance will have the critical constants Tc, Pc, Vc. So we are going to use this particular critical constants, divide the given experimental data of temperature, pressure and volume with respect to critical constants Tc, Pc and Vc. We get the total data is now converted into a reduced values, a reduced temperatures, reduced pressures, reduced volumes, which are taken as the constants. Using this, Van der Waal has applied all this data into Van der Waals equation and deduced an equation, and that equation is named as equation of corresponding state. If I take the Van der Waals equation, let us say P plus A by V square into V minus B is equals to RT for 1 mole of gas. This is the Van der Waals equation. We have taken that in the beside case. Let us keep the data what we have. The pressure is assumed as the pressure, reduced pressure into critical pressure. Volume is taken as reduced volume into critical volume. Temperature is taken as reduced temperature into critical temperature. Let us substitute all this data into Van der Waals equation. Now P here becomes PR into Pc plus A by VR into Vc whole square into VR into Vc minus B is equals to R into TR into Tc. Now what are the data we also have? Let us keep this side. We also know that Tc is equals to A by 27B square, Vc is equals to 3B, Tc is equals to 8A by 27RB. So can we use this data and substitute again? In place of Pc, I will write PR into A by 27B square plus A by VR square into 9B square into VR into Vc. When you take this particular one, VR into 3B minus B is equals to R into TR into 8A by 27R. Now what we are going to do is I am going to take the common. So for this particular one, I will be taking the common as a by 27b square common here. Let us take a by 27b square common. What will get? PR plus here 3a by, sorry, 3 into a will not be there. So 3 by VR square into VR into 3 minus 1. When you take b as common here is equals to RTR into 8a by 27RB. Just check it out. What are the terms which can be cancelled from this equation? A can be cancelled, 27 can be cancelled, R can be cancelled, one B gets cancelled here, another B gets cancelled here. So the no total term now left out. If you just see the total term left out, the total term left out will be, now the term will be given as PR plus 3 by VR square is to 3VR minus 1 is equals to 8PR. This is the equation which is called as reduced equation of state. What is the special in this particular one? By substituting the values of P, Vm and T in the equation of van der Waals equation and then replacing the critical constants, you can avoid the gas dependent terms like A, B, R from the equation, and now the equation is free from constants A, constants B and universal gas constant R, which are only related to gas. There is no such type of term which is left out in the equation. Now this equation is said to be applicable for any substance, and that's the specialty of reduced equation of the state.